Tips that work for successful affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money, but if you don't know how to do it, becoming successful can seem like a daunting task. It's not as complicated as it can sometimes seem, though. Here are some great, simple ideas for making your affiliate marketing efforts more successful. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. Savvy website owners select only the most profitable affiliate marketing partners. For an affiliate that pays webmasters on a pay-per-sale basis, a commission of 20 to 50% is not unreasonable to expect. Pay-per-sale affiliates that offer 10% or less commission are not worth a webmaster's time. Hold out for affiliates that recognize the value of their affiliate marketing partners. This collection of tips should help you navigate the waters of the affiliate marketing world with confidence and wisdom, so that you know how to direct your energy, to make your business or businesses, as profitable as possible. Soon, you'll be so good at affiliate marketing that you will be able to give other people advice. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.